The Clarke CWS200B Whetstone Sharpener is perfect for creating a razor-sharp edge on all your chisels, planes, knives and scissors. Ideal for home, workshop or trade use, the CWS200B features a quiet yet powerful 180-watt 230-volt induction motor, rotating the 200mm wheels at 95 RPM. This virtually silent sharpener includes 3 tool holding jigs, a workpiece clamp and support frame, an angle guide, sharpening wheel, polishing paste, and a water trough. In use, the tool holder may be fitted either to the front of the sharpener or on top, enabling you to choose the most suitable position for the grinding, honing, or sharpening operation you are carrying out. This is made possible by the reversible rotation of the wheel, selected with the 2-way power switch. With the detachable tank fitted below the sharpening wheel, it is filled with water up to the fill line, ensuring that the grinding wheel will remain saturated during operation. The tool support plate is used when sharpening chisels or plane blades, and the angle guide can then enable you to adjust the tool support height to the optimum position. Small and large knife blades and scissors can also be sharpened by using one of the 2 tool guides. Once you have achieved a good edge with the grinding wheel, you can polish the edge to a mirror finish with the leather honing wheel. After coating the wheel with machine oil and the supplied honing paste, the tool to be honed is gently applied, either freehand or using one of the tool guides. The Clarke CWS200B Whetstone Sharpener will give you many years of sturdy service.